What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna give you a quick learning lesson. Just something to think about for my smarter guys out there in trucking. Now, I bought my second truck 2 years ago. Says Andrew buys a 2000 Citroen with the C15 cat motor. Here's the video.
Going on. It's good tread depth, but it don't belong back here. We need to take that off. But it's got brand new brakes as well. It's looking like the shots is all good. Still got the stick on that shock right there. He just had all his stuff. Look like it's just not the housing, unless this boat right here. Yeah, it's probably the boat right there to hold that on. So like I said, this whole thing gonna come off. We're gonna get that from Empire Chrome. Get a whole new LED headlight put in. So
Good enough. So what I want you to notice about the truck 2 years ago, I believe this was in February. Let me see if I can verify it. I was looking at the 19. I got a bunch of unreleased videos I ain't showed y'all. Let me see. Okay, right here. Here you go. February 9th, 2022. That's when I bought the Century. Okay, check this out. The Century, I got the truck for 11,000. 11K. With the rebuild, we had about 50,000 cash money. You know, I pay everything with cash. Then we got the classic XL with extras. Extra meaning like turbo, clutch, all that stuff. We had another $50,000 total. We had $100,000 cash. Okay, check this out. Let me verify the date on the classic. I didn't get it in 2003. Let me see. Okay, this was October 18th, 2022. So we're gonna say I got it around October. Okay. So this is February 2022, October 2022. Okay. Check this out. If I would have took, bring a calculator up. Okay, February 2022, we had 50K. Let's go to February. Let's look down here. Boom, we're just gonna use this date right here. February 11th, 2022, we got 23.95. Let's write that down. 23.95. Okay. We would have took 50 grand and divided it into 23.95. I would have bought 2,087 shares of Nvidia. Okay. That was 2 years ago. Today, if I would have just left the 50 grand in there, today the price is $117.93. So let's take these shares. As you can see, now this right here costs 50K. That was 50K, okay? Now you take the shares by today's price, 117. We're just gonna say 1118. we would, our $50,000 would be $250,000. 246, 33, no, 346. So $246,000, okay? Just waiting 2 years. October 2022. Where we at? Boom, right there. 1247. It dipped down. So 1247, okay. It was actually cheaper in October. So 1247, 50,000 divided by 1247. Woo! We would have hit 4,009 shares. So if I would have took the Century money in February, which was about $50,000, you know, the truck was 11, then I rebuilt the whole C15 motor. I paid all that cash. Then later that year, I bought a Freightliner Classic. I know I don't tell y'all the price, that's why I got 50 up there. It's plus or minus that, okay? It's real close. But we in October 2022. If I would have took that 50, put it in the video, and the video was at $12.47 a share, I would have hit 4,009 shares. Okay, and if I would have just waited from October 2022, it ain't even been 2 years. If I just waited a year and, well, it's about to be October, but basically a year and about what, 9-10 months? Okay, 4009 times 118 today's price. I would have 400, put the dollar sign, 473,062. So all together, when you add this up, you add both trucks. Wait a minute, I'm put a comma. Where am I at? 246,346. We would have hit today, $719,408, okay? That's how much money we would have today if instead of buying the trucks, I would have just put the money in the video. Okay? Now, yes. Now, let's do it by ETF, because back then you wouldn't have known to put the money in the video. I understand. So let's do it by ETF. Let's run the ETF. Okay, let's do FTEC. FTEC. It's an ETF. Okay. So let's erase all this. Boom. Okay. Where we at? February 2022. FTC ain't with nowhere yet. Hold on. Let me try. Let me check all of them right quick. VGT. Oh, they all about the same. Let me try VOO. Yeah, they all about the same. Okay, I'll do VOO. 20 February. Boom, right here. Let's go $399. $399. 50,000 divided by 399. 125 shares. Okay. And today, wait a minute. What's the total price? Oh, 50,000. Okay. Yeah. 125 shares, 50,000. Today's price 504. you would be at $63,000. Okay, so we would only gained about $13,000. Let's see, October. October 328 versus 399. You probably would have been at about. Well, let's just do the math. That way we can get a full idea. Where we at? October 2022. Let's go 328. 328 in the 50,000. Just a learning experience, y'all. 152. We were hitting 152 price. 152 shares. Today's price 504, 78,000. So we would have turned 50,000 would have been 76,000. Okay, so that's if you would have got it in the ETF. Now, all right, let's do Meta stock. Meta is Facebook, by the way. Let's do the 5-year single stock. Delete this. Okay, February 2022. We're gonna go right there. We're gonna go at 206. 206 is the price. 50,000, 206. You got 242 shares. Take that by today's price. 476. 50,000 would have been 115,000. So you would have turned 50K into 115,553. You would have doubled your money. Okay, you would have doubled your money. Let's go into October. Looks like it went down even lower in October. October, we're gonna go at 130. 130. So let's leave that up. 130 price. 130. Oh, my bad. 50,000 into 130. You would have hit 384 shares. You would have waited to today. 476. You have 183,000. Okay, just waiting. Just waiting 2 years, guys. Now, of course, if you do it in single stocks, it's more risk, more reward. If you do it in ETFs, less risk, but not as much reward. But both ways, it's both ways is good. Now, me, right now, as y'all can see, I'm doing single stocks. I'm doing Nvidia, Tesla, and whatever else I do. I'm just trying to get y'all to think, man. That's why, now when I go out, if the Republicans get in office and things turn around, when I go out, majority of the money I make off these trucks are going to the stock market. Why? Because I know how much money I can make in the long run if I just buy these stocks now and just wait and hold, okay? So, go out there, do your own research, man. It's just something to think about. That's all.